Can you brief a little bit about you?
Okay, my name is Leona Chin and I'm a motorsport athlete. I do all kinds of motorsports in terms of anything that has 4 wheels. I started off with drifting, racing, circuit racing, time attack. I did gymkhana, rally, drag. I did drag once, and also off-road. So recently I'm doing off-road as well. I love drifting because it's really fun and very relaxing, and feels like I'm doing a performance, like dancing.
I like dancing, because it's beauty.
So you're a completely different person, I guess.
Once I wear the helmet, it's a different person. Do subscribe, like and share this video, and also follow me on my Instagram and YouTube channel at Leona Chin. See you guys, bye!